Creating a header and an automatic table of contents.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to our Microsoft Word training course. In today's lesson, we will learn two important skills for creating professional documents. First, we will learn how to create a header, then we will learn how to create an automatic table of contents. These features are commonly used in reports, project documents, training manuals, and official government documents. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to create a professional document structure that is easy to read and easy to navigate. Let's get started! Before we start, please open the blank page.
Creating a header.
Now, let's create a professional header for our document. A header is the area at the top of a page that contains important information about the document or organization. In this exercise, we will add a contact number, an email address, a national emblem, and organization name. Let's begin. Step 1. Insert a header. Go to the Insert tab. Insert tab is here. Go to the Insert tab and click Header. Header is here, right side. And click just blank header. The cursor now appears inside the header area, like this. At the top of the header, type contact. Contact. And this is exercise, so I will use just example like this. And press enter. And type email. These details help readers know how to contact the organization. You may use different contact information for your own office. Step 3, let's add a national emblem. Go to the Insert tab and click Pictures in here and choose this device. I will use Uganda national emblem. The logo may appear too large. Click the image and drag a corner handle in Word to resize it. Like this. You can resize like this. And move the national emblem to center. Click the image and go to picture format. There is picture format. And select wrap text and choose in front of text like this. And next click align. Align is here and align center like this. Align center. And let's type organization name. I think Mitiana District Local Government. And you can edit your texts in Home tab as you learned before. I think this font size is 10. 10 is better. And this is the name of organization, so I will make it bigger, 18. And this is the name of organization, so I will align center like this and change bold. I think it is better than before. And let's add a simple address below the name of the organization. Type PO, P.O, box. Like this. And I think this is just address, so smaller is better. So change the small size like this. And yes. Your completed header should look similar to this. If you want to change the text line in the header, then just close header and footer like this. If you press Ctrl plus Enter, you can create a new page like this. Then notice that contact information, national emblem, organization name, and address automatically appear on the new page. This means the header has been successfully created. Now, we have created a professional header that includes contact information, a national emblem, and the organization name. Headers help identify the document and make it look more professional. However, many government documents are longer than 1 or 2 pages. Examples include project reports, training reports, financial reports, and annual reports. When a document becomes longer, readers need an easy way to find information quickly. This is where an automatic table of contents becomes useful. Before Microsoft Word can create a table of contents, we first need to organize our document properly. Let's create a simple report structure.
Creating an automatic table of contents.
Below the header, type the following section titles. First title, Introduction. And do you remember a Ctrl plus Enter? A new page is created automatically like this. This is called a page break. Unlike pressing the Enter key many times, a page break tells Word to start completely new page. Now type training activities. Training activity. And Control Enter again, like this. And challenge. And recommendation. And lastly, conclusion. Now we made new 6 pages. Each section should not now start on a separate page. This makes the document easier to read and creates meaningful page number for the table of contents. Now we need to tell what which text represents major sections. Select the title like this and go to Home tab. And in the styles group is here. And please click heading 1 like this. Notice that the appearance changes automatically. Word now recognize this text as a major heading. Repeat the same process for training activities, challenges, recommendations, conclusions. Like this. These are now the main sections of our report. Now let's add some subsections. Go to the training activities page. Training activities page. Enter. And please type the subsections. Computer basics. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Excel. And please apply heading 2, like this. Now our report has 2 levels of organizations. Heading 1 represents major section, and heading 2 represents subsections. This one is major section and heading 1, and these is heading 2 and subsections. This structure helps readers understand the document more easily. Now let's see how Word recognizes our headings. Go to View tab and check the box labeled Navigation pane in here. A panel appears on the left side on the screen, like this. Notice that all heading 1 and heading 2 titles appear automatically. This is a visual map of the document. Imagine a report with 50 pages. Instead of scrolling through the entire document, you can use navigation pane to move instantly to any section, like this. Now that our document structure is complete, we can create a table of contents. Scroll back to the beginning of the document. Please enter to create some space for table of contents, like this. And go to references at the top. And click table of contents. Then you can check a lot of styles of automatic table of contents. In this exercise, we will make just classic automatic table of contents. If you press this button, immediately Microsoft Word generates a table of contents. All heading 1 sections appear automatically. The heading 2 subsections also appear underneath the main sections. Word also add page numbers automatically. You did not need to type any page number yourself. Because we used page break, each section now appears on different page. This allows Word to create accurate page references. Take a moment to look at the page number shown in the table of contents. You should notice that introduction appears on one page. Training activities appears on another page. Challenges appears on another page. Recommendation appears on other pages. These pages number are generated automatically by Microsoft Word. Whenever the document changes, Word can update them for us. This is much faster and more accurate than creating a table of contents manually. Now let's test the navigation feature. In table of contents, if you want to go to challenges, just click challenges. Then you can check your challenges pages immediately. Let's try another section. If you want to go to Microsoft Word, just click. Then you can move the page of Microsoft Word. This allows readers to navigate large documents quickly and efficiently. Now let's make a change. Change the heading training activities to ICT training activities. ICT training activities. Return to the table of contents. Notice the old title is still displayed, like this. You can check just still training activities, even though you changed ICT training activities. The table of contents does not update automatically. To refresh it, click anywhere inside the table of content except for these sections, like this. And you can check this button and click. If you click this button, you can find update table in here. Then this window appears. In here, choose update entire table. And please click OK. Then the new heading now appears in the table of contents, like this, ICT training activities. Whenever you add new sections, remove sections, or rename headings, remember to update the table of contents before sharing or printing the documents. Today, we learned how to create a professional document structure using page breaks, heading styles, and automatic table of contents. These tools help make reports more organized, easier to navigate, and more professional. Thank you for watching today. See you in next lesson. Thank you.